So let's start with key vitamins. That is vitamin D, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, and so on. And we'll go comprehensive about all the vitamins that essentially impact constipation. So let's begin with vitamin D. Vitamin D regulates calcium absorption and supports immune function. Low levels of vitamin D have been linked to various gastrointestinal issues, including constipation. This is because vitamin D receptors are found in colon, and their activation helps in regulation of gut motility. On the other hand, excessively high levels of vitamin D can lead to hypercalcemia, which may also cause constipation. So, the source of vitamin, we must get enough sunlight exposure or we must take supplements. I live in Boston, so which is has limited sunlight, so I take vitamin D supplements. But obviously, always consult with a healthcare provider for appropriate doses. Next is vitamin B1, thiamine. Thiamine is essential for nerve function and energy metabolism. It plays a crucial role in proper functioning of the enteric nervous system, which regulates gut motility. A deficiency in thiamine can lead to conditions such as beriberi, which affects the cardiovascular and nervous systems and indirectly influence gut motility, potentially leading to constipation. While toxicity from excess thiamine is rare due to its water soluble nature, it's important to ensure that adequate intake through foods like whole grains and legumes and nuts. Next, let's move on to vitamin B2, riboflavin. Riboflavin is important for energy production and maintaining mucosal health in digestive tract. It helps in breakdown of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, which is essential for normal digestive processes. Deficiency in riboflavin can cause issues like sore throat, swelling of mucous membranes, and anemia, all of which can indirectly affect digestion. Conversely, high levels typically don't harm due to its water soluble nature. Food rich in riboflavin includes milk, eggs, green vegetables, and fortified cereals. Vitamin B3, niacin. Niacin helps maintain healthy mucous membranes and can influence digestive function. So, adequate levels of niacin, vitamin B3, are necessary for proper digestive enzyme function, which aids in breakdown and absorption of nutrients. Deficiency can lead to pellagra, which causes gastrointestinal disturbances, among other symptoms. Excessive niacin can cause flushing and liver damage. So, sources of niacin include poultry, fish, lean meats, nuts, and legumes. So, vitamin B5, pantothenic acid. So, pantothenic acid supports energy metabolism and synthesis of coenzyme A, which is crucial for digestive processes. Coenzyme A is involved in the synthesis and oxidation of fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining the health of the digestive tract. So, deficiency is rare, but can lead to symptoms like fatigue and digestive issues. So, pantothenic acid toxicity is also rare. You can find pantothenic acid in a variety of foods, including egg, fish, poultry, whole grains, and avocados. Next, vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Pyridoxine. Vitamin B6 is essential in protein metabolism and neurotransmitter synthesis, which affect gut brain communication. So it helps convert tryptophan into serotonin, or neurotransmitter that regulates bowel movement. Deficiency can cause symptoms like irritability, depression, and weakened immune function. And excessive vitamin B6 can cause nerve damage. So, food rich in vitamin B6 include poultry, fish, potatoes, chickpeas, bananas, and fortified cereals. Vitamin B7, biotin. Biotin supports the health of digestive system and include gut flora. It is involved in the synthesis of fatty acids and glucose, which are essential for maintaining energy levels and overall digestive health. Deficiency can cause symptoms like hair loss, skin rashes, and neurological issues. High levels are typically not harmful, so biotin is found in eggs, nuts, seeds, and certain vegetables like sweet potatoes. Vitamin B9, folate. Folate is essential for cell growth and repair, including the cells lining the digestive tract. Adequate folate levels ensure proper functioning of the gastrointestinal system. So deficiencies can cause megaloblastic anemia and gastrointestinal disturbances. So excessive folate can mask vitamin B12 deficiency, neurologic, leading to neurological damage. So leafy green vegetables, legumes, nuts, and fortified cereals are excellent source of folate. So vitamin B12, cobalamin. So vitamin B12 is critical for nerve function and red blood cell production. Of deficiency in vitamin B12 can cause neurological issues, impaired nerve function, and that can slow down bowel motility. So high levels of B12 are generally considered safe. Foods rich in vitamin B12 includes meat, dairy products, and some fortified cereals. This is special consideration for vegetarians and vegans because B12 is only found in animal products. So if you're vegetarian and vegan, so you should consider vitamin B12 supplements. I know that because my wife is a vegetarian, and once when we checked her vitamin B12 levels, it was dangerously low. And we learned from a doctor that vitamin B12 can only be found in the animal products. So she started taking B12 supplements. Now she's fine. So take a note, vegetarians and vegans. Vitamin C. So vitamin C enhances iron absorption and supports immune function. High doses of vitamin C can act as mild laxative. So if you take orange juice in the morning and you have the urge to go, this is the reason why, because orange juice has very good content of vitamin C. So vitamin C helps soften stools and obviously promote bowel movements. Deficiency can lead to scurvy, which includes symptoms like bleeding gums and fatigue. High levels can cause gastrointestinal disturbances such as diarrhea. So citrus food, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli are excellent source of vitamin C. Next, let's talk about vitamin E. So vitamin E protects cell membranes and support immune function. It helps in maintaining the integrity of the cell linings in the digestive tract, which is vital for overall gut health. So deficiency is very rare but can cause neurological problems. So excessive vitamin E can interfere with blood clotting. Food rich in vitamin E includes nuts, seeds, spinach, and broccoli. So vitamin K. Vitamin K is important for blood clotting and bone health with emerging evidence suggesting a role in gut health. It helps to maintain the integrity of gut lining and supports the overall digestive process. Deficiency can lead to bleeding disorders, while high levels are generally not considered harmful. Again, green leafy vegetables such as kale, spinach, broccoli are good sources of vitamin K. Understanding the roles of these vitamins as well as consequences of both deficiencies and excesses can help identify potential issues that may contribute to constipation. So, addressing these imbalances through a balanced diet, adequate hydration, and possibly supplements can form a part of an effective personalized approach to managing and preventing constipation. So, in the home remedies section as well, most of these can be gotten through a balanced diet. The reason why we either have deficiencies or excesses because most of the people in the world now take consume processed food and they may not have all the nutrients that require macro, minerals, and micronutrients and vitamins. Hence, we are going to this one by one to understand their role. And when we understand the role, if we understand, identify the deficiency or excess, then we can take the home remedies that directly target either efficiency, deficiency, or excess.